Hi, it's Roberto Miki again, and we've got a great video today for you. It's a thumb carpometacarpal steroid injection. This is for a disorder that is very common in the hand. It's thumb carpometacarpal arthritis or basal joint arthritis. Here's a plug for the channel. Hit subscribe and hit like to help out this channel. This is a viewer discretion. This video does contain images from an injection into another human being, so please, if you don't want to see this, click away. Basal joint arthritis is extremely common, and the treatments include bracing, injections of steroids, and then surgery. Usually I try bracing first, and then if that fails, we try an injection of steroid. We use an ethyl chloride spray that you just saw there, and then an alcohol prep to prep the skin. The ethyl chloride spray is to numb up the skin, and then under fluoroscopy, I place the needle directly into the thumb CMC joint, guiding it with the fluoroscopy so that we get it right into the joint in one shot. As opposed to when I was in training, we would drop it in by bouncing it in. I mean, basically hitting the person several times with the needle until it fell into the joint. Well, this sort of makes it happen very quickly and relatively painlessly. Hope you liked this quick video, and thanks for watching.